Hey everybody, this is Sean Leland with NEXA Lending and my baby girl Penelope here. We're going to walk you through step by step how to complete a loan application. The application itself usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, but there are certain sections that a lot of people have a tendency to struggle with. So I wanted to make sure that I covered each section individually so you know exactly what to expect. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Love you lots. Before we start going through the loan application, I wanted to point out the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. This shows the different sections of the application. As you complete each section, it will mark it as finished and move you to the next one. If you ever need to go back and update something, you can click on any section in this list. When you first open up the application link, you'll create an account. You'll enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a password. After that, you'll verify that you're not a robot and click Create Account. After creating the account, you'll receive a verification email. Simply click the link in that email to verify your account and start the loan application. If you don't see the email within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. Once you're inside the application, you'll first select the purpose of the loan. Most people watch this video will select purchase a new property. But if you're refinancing an existing home, you would select refinancing my property. Next, you'll select where you are in the home buying process. If you're just getting started, select just getting started. If you're actively writing offers, select making offers. And if you already have a home under contract, you'll want to select under contract. Next, you'll enter the location where you're planning to purchase the home. This helps determine loan limits, property taxes, and which loan program may be available. Next, you'll select the type of property you're looking to purchase. Most buyers will choose single family, but if you're buying a condo, duplex, or manufactured home, you can select that option here as well. You'll also select how the property will be used. For most buyers, this will be primary residence, meaning this will be the home you will live in. Others might select investment property or secondary property, like a lake cabin, for example. The application will also ask what you feel is a comfortable monthly housing payment. This just helps give me a rough idea of your price range. You'll also be asked if you're currently working with a real estate agent. If you are, you can enter their information so we can coordinate with them during the transaction. You will also enter the amount you plan to use for your down payment. The system will automatically calculate and estimate loan amount based on the purchase price and down payment. Next, you'll enter your personal information, including your address, phone number, and housing history. Complete 2-year housing history is very important. If someone will be applying for the loan with you, such as a spouse or partner, you can add them as a co-borrower here. Keep in mind, certain government loans like FHA and VA require that the spouse be added for credit purposes only. Next, you'll enter 2 years of employment and income information. Keep in mind, all income will be verified through the documents that you will upload to the loan application. In the assets section, you'll enter only the bank accounts or investment accounts that you will be using for down payment and closing costs. We are also going to want to know if you own any other real estate and what the status of that real estate is, whether it is sold, pending, or will be retained. The declarations section asks questions about things like bankruptcy, foreclosure, and other financial obligations. It's important to answer these questions honestly, since most of this information will appear on your credit report. The demographics section asks optional demographic questions required under federal lending regulations. This determines whether or not there are any inconsistent lending habits based off of race, gender, or ethnicity. You're not required to answer these questions and may select prefer not to answer if you wish. On the credit page, you'll give us your social security number and your date of birth so we can pull your credit at some point in the very near future. Before submitting the application, you'll be able to review everything you entered. If anything is incomplete, it will appear on the left side so that you can go back and finish it. And finally, you'll authorize electronic communication and credit verification so we can begin processing the loan. Once your application is submitted, I'll review the information and begin building out your loan file. If anything additional is needed, I'll reach out to you directly for clarification or supporting documents. From there, we move forward with the next step towards pre-approval and getting you ready to purchase your home. All right, everybody, that is the whole loan application from start to finish. And as you can see, it's not nearly as scary as going to the principal's office or talking to your tax accountant or even somebody from the IRS. And, my job is to guide you through the process from beginning to end and to make sure that it is as smooth as possible. So go ahead, start that loan application, answer all those questions throughout. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I would love to help. Anyways, this is Sean Leland with NEXA Lending with my baby girl, my new baby girl, Penelope here. Love you lots. God bless. Thanks.